The high rainfall totals caused some major problems all over the metro. Pickens County has closed all of its water crossings until further notice. In Atlanta, traveling did not come easy either, not even for MARTA. Officers had to block off Martin Luther King Jr. Drive this morning before 5 a.m. Rain was covering a lot of the road, and before it was blocked, drivers were still trying to drive through it. And take a look at this. This is in Polk County. Johnson Lake Road in Cedartown washed out and took a Jeep with it. In Jackson County, about 60 miles northeast of Atlanta, a creek is over the bridge. These pictures are from Curry Creek in Jefferson, and the Emergency Management Agency tells us the county saw 2.64 inches of rain in 24 hours. So the impact was widespread. You can get the first alert forecast whenever you like it, though. Just scan the QR code right there on your screen. It'll take you to where you can download the free First Alert weather app. Our team of meteorologists are all constantly updating this app, so you'll know how to prepare for the day, and you'll know if there are any trouble spots out there.